What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to be restoring this axe head. It looks to be fairly old, but I haven't seen any markings on it or anything that actually says, time or anything. I got this from a little antique store in New South Wales a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, what I'm going to start off doing is I'm going to start off by drilling out all this wood because someone obviously used it too much and the wood snapped off. So I got the rest of the handle out of it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just hit it with a wire brush so I can try and get all the rust off, and then hopefully I'll be able to see a sign of it, where it's made or a year, something like that. So I got pretty much all of the rust off, pretty much, not all of it just yet. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to re-grind the blade, because as you can see it's not completely, straight. There's bumps in it. So I'm going to re-grind that, and then yeah, then after that I just need to handle it and sharpen it. So I just finished reshaping the axe blade and sharpening it. It can slice through paper pretty well. Now I'm on to handling it. So yeah, I'm gonna get to handling it, and after I handle it I'll show you. Okay, so I finished handling it. I just need to chop off the top, chop off the wedge, and then sand it back. And while I was doing that, I actually noticed there's a little mark there. If I can get it to focus. Well, I'll just tell you what it says. It says Mustad Norway, which is I did some research, and it's an old axe company. Now by old I mean, I'm not sure if they make axes anymore like steel, but they started the company like like 100 years ago, 200 years ago. So don't quote me on that. Do your own research. But the axe head seems to be pretty old. It's made by Mustad Norway. So I'll show you guys another photo of it after I chop off the top. So I just cut off the top. That there is the finished axe. If you want to restore an axe yourself, then what you should do is you should go find an axe head, go to some antique store or like junkyard, and then go get yourself a handle. I got my handle from Total Tools, but you could possibly get a handle from Bunnings. But I found all the handles at Bunnings were either too small or too large, and I need one perfect just in the middle. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.